It is me again. Welcome to my fourth gameplay. Fourth gameplay, ATV Offroad Fury. But in this case, it's the European version. So yeah, ATV Offroad alone. To be honest, I didn't want to do the training. It's a tutorial. It's really silly. But yeah, I think I'll dedicate this first episode to do the training and show you everyone how stupid this mode is. Let's go. No, okay, this is the attention mode, sorry. Yeah, this is what happens when you are 30 seconds away from the controller, so yeah, here's the, how the game works. The triangle and circle are the stunts. I've opened again use FAQ frequently FAQ guide to know the tricks, because there are a few.
Welcome to the training course. We're going to teach you several techniques to help you get the most out of the game. We will be using the default controls for the training course. That means pressing the X button to accelerate and the square button for braking. See the arrows painted on the track? These indicate the direction of the next checkpoint. Each checkpoint is represented by a circle with a number painted on the ground, just like the one currently under your ATV. Hold the X button to accelerate, then press the square button to brake to a halt in circle number 2. Try it now.
Yay, showboating! Yay, yay, yay! Okay, I cannot do a stopping.
Well done. Now you're going to navigate a right-hand hairpin turn. Use the left analog stick or the directional buttons to steer your ATV around the turn. When making a turn, sometimes it's helpful to drift to the outside of the curve and ride the berm around the turn. Now follow the arrows, drive around the turn, and stop when you reach circle number 3.
Fuck the police, no burn.
Good. In front of you is a simple jump followed by a left-hand turn.
It's called a single.
When making a jump, it's often best to land all 4 turns at once. You can do this by adjusting the pitch of your ATV in mid-air. Pitch the ATV by pressing forward and back on the left analog stick or the directional buttons. Now press the X button to accelerate, and as you fly through the air, press forward to land your ATV as level to the ground as possible. After the left-hand turn, stop in circle number 4. Go for it.
I do not understand how they consider this a simple jump, since it's a double. A simple jump should be a tabletop.
Nice.
But yeah.
Some jumps are bigger than others. In order to clear big jumps, you need to learn how to preload the suspension to make the bike fly further. To preload the suspension, pull back on the left analog stick at the bottom of the jump, then snap the left analog stick forward before your tyres leave the ground. If you do this correctly, the preload meter next to your speedometer will show a red bar indicating how much lift you've achieved, and your ATV will travel through the air further than usual. When the conditions are right to preload, the meter will light up with the green background.
Okay,
Try it
now the
now,
arms again.
remembering to pull back on the left analog stick at the bottom of the jump and snapping it forward before the wheels leave the ground. After you've landed, drive around the turn and stop in circle number 5. Okay, go for it.
Like a boss.
Great! Now you're going to learn how to ride a wheel. To start,
This lesson is completely stupid because wheels are never needed during the game.
Try to hold the wheel.
They are not
for
even
3
considered
seconds,
as stunt.
Then hit the brakes and
So yeah.
stop inside circle number 6.
Fucking stupid. Huh?
Nicely done. It looks like you've got your basic driving skills under control. Sometimes you will bump into objects in the world and need to back up. To drive in reverse, press and hold the accelerate and brake buttons at the same time. You can look back whilst you drive by holding down the L2 button. Go ahead and try it now by driving in reverse all the way back to circle number 5.
Although this is needed at times if you crash and all. Well, let's just say this is not useful.
Okay, now it's time to pull off some stunts.
Stunts are needed, but not during the pro career.
Really big air.
Only during the freestyle show.
Once you're airborne, press the left analog stick or directional buttons in any direction, while pressing either the triangle or the circle button.
Also the X plus square reverse system,
continue on through the
well, accelerate plus reverse system, has been a constant on NX versus ATV games for quite a long time.
Well done. You've learned the basic principles of handling your ATV.
Well, why are you
Here's
speaking?
one final test before you begin. Complete a lap around the course without going off the track. If you do go off the track, we'll reset you from the start, so pay attention to your positioning. Good luck.
This game was made by Rainbow Studios, the same guys from NX vs ATV Untamed, the NX vs ATV Saga, NX Unleashed, Motocross Madness 1 and 2. It's a shame there was never a Motocross Madness 3. Well, this could be considered Motocross Madness 3, but yeah, the whole control system changed a bit. I read that the guys, the Rainbow Studios guys.
Congratulations. Looks like you're ready for ATV Offroad.
Looks, from what I've read, this game was made so as a request by Sony Computer Entertainment of America. I mean, they've always been bikes kind of guys, Rainbow Studios. But yeah, I mean, ATVs were a thing back in the day, and well, they were a thing even in Spain. That's why I have this game. Back in the day, well, during a couple of years more or less, maybe 2 exact years, quad-cross was quite a thing in Spain. But well, then it disappeared. Well, it still exists, but well, nobody cares. So yeah, that's it. See you next time. Bye bye.